With over 24 years of experience as a real estate investor, I've seen countless homes struggle to sell. The reason? First impressions matter more than you might think. When potential buyers walk through your door, they're not just looking at your house, they're imagining their future home. A recent study by Strutt Parker found that 76% of buyers believe first impressions are everything when visiting a property in person. Even online, 66% of potential buyers agree that initial impressions are vital. This means your home needs to shine both in photos and in person. So, what exactly are these deal breakers that can turn potential buyers away? I've identified 25 common issues that home buyers notice instantly. More importantly, I'll share simple fixes for each one. These solutions can help you boost your home's appeal and potentially increase its sale price. Now, let's walk through the list and address these issues before you put your home on the market. Number 1. Messy yard. A messy yard sends a clear message to buyers. This home hasn't been well maintained. Overgrown lawns, weeds poking through the flower beds, and untidy gardens can make even the most beautiful house look neglected. The National Association of Realtors reports that 92% of realtors advise sellers to improve curb appeal before listing. This goes to show just how important your yard is in making a great first impression. To fix this issue, start a regular lawn care routine. Mow the grass, pull or kill weeds, and trim hedges. Add a layer of fresh mulch to garden beds and plant some colorful flowers. These simple steps can dramatically improve your home's first impression. Number 2. Poor exterior paint or siding. Faded, chipped paint or damaged siding can make your house look old and uncared for, even if the interior is pristine. Buyers often assume that a neglected exterior means a neglected interior. This assumption can lead them to overlook your property entirely. To address this, consider repainting your home's exterior. If a full paint job isn't in the budget, a thorough power washing can work wonders. For damaged siding, repair, or replace the affected areas. These improvements not only enhance your home's appearance, but also signal to buyers that the property has been well maintained. Number 3. Lack of safety features. In today's world, home safety is a top priority for many buyers, with 1/3 of Americans willing to pay more for better security features. The absence of basic safety features can raise red flags and make potential buyers hesitant. Install smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms if you haven't already. Ensure all doors and windows have secure, functional locks. Consider adding outdoor lighting to enhance security. These simple upgrades not only make your home more appealing to buyers, but also provide peace of mind for your family while you're still living there. Number 4. Cluttered front porch or entryway. A cluttered entry area suggests a lack of organization and care throughout the home. Buyers often struggle to envision themselves living in a space that feels chaotic right from the entrance. Clear away personal items, seasonal decorations, and unnecessary furniture on your front porch or entryway. Aim for a clean, welcoming space that invites buyers to step inside and imagine themselves coming home. A simple welcome mat, a tasteful potted plant, and a clean, well-lit entryway can make a world of difference in creating a positive first impression. Number 5 on our list of things home buyers instantly hate about your house is worn out or outdated front door. Your front door serves as the focal point of your home's entrance. A worn-out or outdated door can significantly detract your property's overall appeal. In fact, updating your front door can have a surprising effect on your home's perceived value. Some studies suggest that a new front door could add as much as $24,000 to a home's perceived value. That's a significant return on a relatively small investment. If your budget allows, consider replacing an old door with a new stylish one. If replacement isn't an option, a fresh coat of paint and updated hardware can work wonders in refreshing your entryway's look. Number 6. Offensive or strong odors. Bad smells can instantly turn off potential buyers, making it difficult for them to focus on your home's positive features. Common culprits include pet odors, cooking smells, and mustiness mold or mildew. To combat this issue, start with a deep clean of your carpets, upholstery, and air vents. These are often the source of lingering odors. Use air purifiers to help eliminate any remaining smells. On the day of a showing, avoid cooking foods with strong odors. Instead, consider baking cookies or brewing coffee to create a welcoming scent. Remember, the goal is to have your home smell clean and fresh, not overpowering or artificial. Number 7. Outdated or damaged flooring. Flooring plays a crucial role in a home's overall appearance and feel. Worn, stained, or outdated flooring can make your entire home seem tired and less valuable. If your budget allows, consider replacing old carpet or refinishing hardwood floors. These upgrades can significantly improve your home's appeal and potentially increase its value. If full replacement isn't feasible, a professional deep cleaning can make a noticeable difference. Number 8. Overly bold or dark paint colors. While you might love your fire engine red dining room or deep purple bedroom, bold paint colors can be a major turnoff for potential buyers. Bright or dark colors can make spaces feel smaller and less inviting. They also make it harder for buyers to imagine their own style in the space. Interestingly, paint color choices can have a measurable impact on a home's sale price. One study found that homes with dark red dining rooms sold for $2,031 less than expected, while those with straw yellow kitchens sold for $820 less. To appeal to a broader range of buyers, repaint walls in neutral tones. Light grays, soft whites, and warm beiges create a blank canvas that allows buyers to imagine their own decor in the space. Number 9. Cracked walls or ceilings. Cracks in walls or ceilings often raise alarm bells for potential buyers. They might worry about structural problems or poor maintenance, even if the cracks are purely cosmetic. Address these issues before listing your home. For minor cracks, use a spackling compound to fill them in, then sand and repaint the area. For larger or recurring cracks, it's wise to consult a professional. They can determine if there's an underlying issue that needs attention. Fixing these problems not only improves your home's appearance, but also reassures buyers about its structural integrity. Number 10 on our list of things home buyers instantly hate about your house is cluttered or personalized interior decor. While your collection of family photos and unique decor items might make your house feel like home to you, they can distract potential buyers. Clutter and highly personalized spaces make it difficult for buyers to envision themselves living in the home. Start by decluttering room by room. Pack away personal items like family photos, children's artwork, and quirky decorations. Aim for a clean, neutral look that appeals to a wide range of tastes. This process, known as staging, can help your home sell faster and often for a higher price. Consider renting a storage unit to keep your personal items while your home is on the market. Number 11. Visible pest problems. Signs of pests can quickly send potential buyers running for the door. Nobody wants to purchase a home that comes with unwanted critters. Look out for telltale signs like rodent droppings, insect nests, or chewed wires and wood. If you spot any of these, take immediate action. Start with a thorough cleaning to eliminate any traces of pests. Seal up potential entry points around your home's exterior. For persistent problems, consider hiring a professional pest control service. Number 12. Dark or poorly lit rooms. Dark rooms feel small, uninviting, and can hide potential flaws in a home. Buyers often prefer bright, airy spaces that feel open and welcoming. To brighten up your home, start opening all curtains and blinds during showings. Clean your windows inside and out to maximize natural light. Replace old or dim light bulbs with brighter, energy-efficient options. Consider adding lamps to darker corners. If certain rooms lack natural light, strategically placed mirrors can help reflect and amplify the available light, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 13. Outdated bathroom fixtures. Bathrooms are key selling points in any home, and outdated fixtures can make these spaces feel old and unappealing. Old faucets, lighting fixtures, and worn tiles can significantly date your bathroom. Updating these elements can give your bathroom a fresh, modern look without a full renovation. Replace old faucets with sleek, water-efficient models. Install new light fixtures to brighten the space. If your budget allows, consider updating the vanity or mirror. For tiles, a thorough cleaning and regrouting can work wonders in refreshing their appearance. Number 14. Presence of pets or pet damage. While you adore your furry friends, not all potential buyers will feel the same way. Pet odors, visible fur, or damage caused by pets can be major turnoffs, especially for buyers with allergies or those who aren't pet owners. Before showings, deep clean all carpets and upholstery to remove pet odors and hair. Repair any damage caused by pets, such as scratched floors or chewed woodwork. Consider having your pets stay with friends or family during showings. This step not only minimizes their presence, but also reduces stress for your pets during the selling process. Number 15 on our list of things home buyers instantly hate about your house is visible mold or mildew. Mold and mildew are serious red flags for buyers, suggesting moisture problems and potential health hazards. These issues can derail a sale quickly, so it's crucial to address them before listing your home. Start identifying and fixing the source of moisture causing the mold growth. This step might involve repairing leaky pipes, improving ventilation, or addressing drainage issues around your home's exterior. Once you've solved the underlying problem, thoroughly clean affected areas using appropriate mold removal products. Consider using mold-resistant paint in prone areas like bathrooms and basements to prevent future issues. Number 16. Poorly maintained HVAC system. A dirty or outdated heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system can worry potential buyers about future repair costs and energy efficiency. Before listing your home, have your HVAC system professionally serviced. Replace air filters and clean air ducts to improve air quality and system efficiency. If your system is old, consider getting a professional assessment of its remaining lifespan. You might decide to replace an aging system, which could be a strong selling point for energy-conscious buyers. Keep maintenance records to show potential buyers that you've taken good care of the system. Number 17. Dirty or streaky windows. Clean, sparkling windows can make a huge difference in your home's overall appearance. Dirty or streaky windows not only look unappealing, but also block natural light, making your home feel darker and less inviting. A recent report found that clean windows can increase a home's perceived value up to 10%. That's a significant boost for a relatively simple task. Take the time to clean all windows thoroughly, inside and out. Don't forget about skylights and glass doors. If you have hard-to-reach windows, consider hiring a professional window cleaning service. The resulting brightness and clarity can dramatically improve your home's appeal to potential buyers. Number 18. Lack of storage space. Insufficient storage is a common concern for many home buyers. They need to envision where they'll store all their belongings in your home. If your home seems short on storage space, it could turn buyers away. Start organizing existing closets, cabinets, and other storage areas to maximize their potential. Remove excess items to make these spaces appear larger. Consider adding shelving or storage solutions in underutilized areas. For example, floating shelves in a bedroom or hooks in a mudroom can add valuable storage without major renovations. If you have a garage or basement, organizing these spaces can also showcase their storage potential to buyers. Number 19. Dated or damaged roofing. A visibly aged or damaged roof is a major concern for buyers due to the potential cost of replacement. It's one of the most expensive home repairs, and buyers often shy away homes that need immediate roof work. Inspect your roof for visible damage like missing shingles, sagging areas, or signs of leaks. Clean off any debris or moss growth that might make your roof look older than it is. If your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan, consider having it professionally inspected. You might decide to replace the roof before selling, which could be a strong selling point. At the very least, be prepared to provide potential buyers with a professional assessment of your roof's condition. Number 20 on our list of things home buyers instantly hate about your house is lack of natural light. Homes that feel dark and closed off can be uninviting to potential buyers. Most people prefer bright, airy spaces that feel open and welcoming. To maximize natural light in your home, start keeping all curtains and blinds open during showings. Trim any outdoor vegetation that might be blocking windows. Consider painting dark walls in lighter colors to reflect more light. Strategically placed mirrors can help bounce light around and make spaces feel brighter and larger. If certain rooms lack windows, consider adding skylights or solar tubes to bring in more natural light. Number 21. Small or cramped spaces. Tight spaces can feel claustrophobic and less functional to potential buyers. While you can't change your home's square footage, there are ways to make spaces feel larger and more open. Start removing any unnecessary furniture to open up floor space. Use lighter paint colors on walls to create an illusion of more space. Mirrors can also help spaces feel larger, strategically placing them to reflect light and views. Consider using multifunctional furniture to maximize the utility of smaller spaces. For example, an ottoman with hidden storage or a fold-down desk can add functionality without cluttering the room. Number 22. Neglected neighborhood appearance. While you can't control your entire neighborhood, a poorly maintained area can impact buyer perception of your home. Engage with your neighbors to improve the overall community appearance. Consider organizing a neighborhood cleanup day to tidy common areas. If you have a homeowners association, bring up any concerns about neighborhood maintenance at the next meeting. On your property, focus on maintaining a well-kept lawn and tidy exterior. These efforts can help create a positive first impression of your home and its surroundings. Number 23. Outdated electrical fixtures or wiring. Old wiring or outdated electrical fixtures can be both a safety concern and a sign of needed updates to potential buyers. Start replacing visibly old light switches, outlets, and fixtures with modern options. If your home still has a fuse box instead of a circuit breaker panel, consider updating it. This upgrade can be a significant selling point for safety-conscious buyers. If you suspect your home's wiring might be outdated, have a professional electrician inspect it. They can identify any issues and provide documentation of the inspection to reassure potential buyers. Number 24. Unpleasant noise levels. Excessive noise traffic, neighbors, or nearby businesses can be a major turnoff for buyers seeking a peaceful home environment. While you can't always control external noise sources, there are steps you can take to minimize their impact. Consider adding soundproofing elements to your home, such as double-paned windows or insulation in walls. If you have hardwood floors, area rugs can help absorb sound. For showings, try to schedule them during quieter times of day if possible. If your home has any particularly quiet or peaceful areas, like a secluded back patio or a cozy reading nook, make sure to highlight these features to potential buyers. The last thing that home buyers instantly hate about your house is overpriced listing. An overpriced home can deter potential buyers before they even step inside. Many buyers research extensively online before viewing homes in person, and an inflated price tag can cause them to skip your listing entirely. Research similar homes in your area that have recently sold to get a sense of the current market. Consider factors like your home's condition, location, and unique features when setting your price. Remember, pricing your home competitively can often lead to more interest and potentially even multiple offers. Consult with an experienced real estate agent to help you determine the most appropriate listing price for your home. Selling your home doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these insights into what buyers notice, you're now equipped to make your property stand out in the best way possible. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Fresh paint, clean windows, and a tidy yard go a long way in creating that perfect first impression. These details matter more than you might think. Your home has been a part of your life's story. Now, it's time to present it as the beginning of someone else's new chapter. With these tips in mind, you're ready to showcase your home in its best light and make that crucial first impression count. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.